How to stop redirects in the Google Chrome web browser. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Google, click on three dots on top right, then go to Settings by scrolling down. You will find this kind of screen pop up. On left side, you will find Privacy and Security. Click on Privacy and Security. In here, scroll down till you find Site Settings. In Site Settings, scroll down. In Site Settings, you will find Pop-up and Redirects. Click on it and make sure to turn it off. Your blue dot is in Don't Allow Sites to send pop-ups or use redirect. And this is how to stop redirects in the Google Chrome web browser. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.